Hello, fire pit people. Jonathan, Montana Fire Pits. In this video, I'm going to describe the most popular Crossfire outdoor gas fire feature setup on a 30-inch Paver fire pit ring. Here you go. Also, in this video, primarily, I'm going to be describing some of the most common components and common questions that we get when installing a gas fire feature in a Paver ring, including how to mount the key valve and how to use the flex line. Disclaimer, you are going to hire your own local licensed professional gas installer. That said, let's get into it. Very, very common setup we have here. It's a simple Paver fire pit ring. The inside diameter is 31.5 inches. So what we've done is using kablow, the 180,000 BTU on a 30-inch round, okay? Now, what we're gonna do here is figure out how to get from your fuel stub to the key valve. All right, so in this particular case, the homeowner has run a 1-inch gas stub, okay? So what we're trying to do is get from the gas line to the key valve. Now you can see what we do is we've just dry fitted these, right? And what we're trying to do is kind of figure out where the best place to make this key valve line up with the escutcheon. We have determined that kind of through, fittings here, we've determined that that sort of looks the best here. From here to here is not a tight fitting. This is merely spacing because your key is going to go into here, your 12-inch key into here and turn that nut. That's how you adjust your flame, and that's how you turn it on and off. So now that we have this mapped out, what we're gonna end up doing is taking a grinder and just cutting a channel in this Paver so that this all lays nice and flush and flat, and that this escutcheon ends up nice and flush on this Paver. The other thing is, once you've come out of the key valve, you're just gonna flex line. And of course, these fittings aren't secure yet, but you're coming out of the key valve into the flex line, and the flex line is simply going into the bottom of the burner. Okay, so now we're plumbed up from stub to key valve. The thing is solid, bomber, awesome. We know our line right here through the Paver. And what we're gonna do is take this Paver out and take it over there and grind her up. So here we are at the end of the Paver kit, and we have our dry fitting here, we have our key valve, we have our escutcheon. When this final guy slides in there to be glued and everything like that, you can see that it fits right in there like such, and your escutcheon is a thing of beauty right there, and your key is gonna go right in there like that and turn on the gas. That's how it goes. As usual, you guys know the drill. Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. Like, comment, share, email, call. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you guys soon.